In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is using a shifted exponential moving average and a regular exponential moving average. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses two moving averages to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. We begin by including the Trade.mqh file, which allows us to use trading functions. Then we create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. Next, we define three input variables: MovingAverageCandles, Shift1, and Shift2. These variables will be used to set the parameters for our moving averages. In the OnTick function, we start by calculating the ask price and normalizing it to the number of digits specified for the symbol. Similarly, we calculate and normalize the bid price. Create a string variable named signal to store our trading signal. We also create two arrays, FirstMovingAverageArray and SecondMovingAverageArray, to hold the moving average values. We sort both arrays from the current candle downwards using ArraySetAsSeries. We define the properties of the first moving average using the EMA function, which takes the symbol, period, number of candles, shift value, mode, and price type as parameters. We do the same for the second moving average. We use the copyBuffer function to copy the moving average values into our arrays. This function takes the moving average definition, buffer number, starting position, number of elements, and the array to store the values. We then check if the ask price is above both moving averages. If it is, we set the signal to buy. Similarly, we check if the bid price is below both moving averages. If it is, we set the signal to sell. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we execute a sell order for 10 microlots at the bid price with a stop loss 150 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we execute a buy order for 10 microlots at the ask price with a stop loss 150 points above the ask price. Finally, we output the current signal to the chart using the comment function. We press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses two moving averages to generate buy and sell signals with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the expert advisor working on your chart. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.